So I'm headed to my first order of the day. It's a Fuja catering order. It's to California Pizza Kitchen. The payout is about $26. Should be a very easy catering order, so I'll try to document my my progress with processing this catering order, because I haven't done that yet. I haven't really shown myself actually picking up the food and putting the food in the, you know, catering bags, delivery bags, whatnot. So I'm gonna start doing that. So yeah, you can see my progress and you could decide for yourself whether you want to sign up for Fuja. I highly recommend it. However, it's not available in all cities yet. So make sure when you do apply, it may say it's not available in your market yet, but that's okay because they'll most likely notify you through email once they're available. So check out the description below for the link to sign up for Foodja. Okay, thank you. Awesome, thank you so much. You too. So 2 catering bags. This California Pizza Kitchen, it's inside a professional building on the 3rd floor. So waiting for the waiter to come, and I'm pretty much a bit sweaty. It's pretty hot out today. The GPS sent me to the opposite side of this building. I just picked up the order, so I'm walking back to my car, about probably a 3 to 4 minute walk, not too bad. But at least I know for next time, if I ever get another California pizza pickup to this address, I know exactly where I need to park, so I don't have to walk far to my car. Okay, so I just got back in my car and I want to show you guys how I go through a Fuja delivery. So with Fuja, they have it, you have to manually enter the progress of the order you're in. So I accepted the order at 11:20, started going to the restaurant at 11:58, at the restaurant about 10 minutes ago. And now, since I have the order, I simply click rolling from restaurant to indicate that I'm on my way to the client. Then once I'm at the client, I click at client, then I take at least one picture of the catering setup if they want a catering setup. Usually, sometimes the client is fine just leaving their food in a bag and I just simply drop off their food and take a picture. But usually I set up the catering order on a table or something, and then once I had it set up, I take a picture. You have to make sure there's utensils and, if needed, any plates, other paperware. So for this order, the restaurant included just some basic plastic utensils. They don't need any plates or anything, but I'm gonna include some plates just in case. So right now I'm setting up the cater order. I bought plates just to be safe. Put the bread on the plates, have everything look neat. But yeah, this is fun. I really enjoy doing this. Their pizzas. That right there, it looks like they recycle. But yeah, all ready to go. Now I have to take a photo. So there's that. That completes my Fuja catering delivery. I enjoy it. It is fun. I love to set up the tables, make sure everything is neat, and I just love to deliver my organization skills, and yeah, and just greeting the clients and just talking is fun too. Like I really love it, and it just makes it better because the catering orders, they're more per delivery, and some of them could be just as quick as completing a regular food order on DoorDash. So I am so grateful to be a part of Fuja, and if you'd love to be a part of Fuja, please click the link in the description below, and hopefully it's available in your market, but if not, that's okay because it may be coming to your market soon. So thanks for watching my video, and please like, thumbs up, and subscribe for more videos of my experiences doing different gig apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats. You'll probably see some Deliver That soon. I really don't like that as much, but we'll see. Fuja, and more to come.